Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There are two areas where we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow. The enhanced areas are in the orange, okay? The enhanced risk areas are in the orange. The first enhanced risk tomorrow encompasses Central Texas, and another enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow encompasses southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, parts of Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. Cities and towns enhanced include Chicago, Illinois, Aurora, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and Springfield, Illinois. Alright? Areas in the yellow are in a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. Alright? Areas in the yellow are in a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. And areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. Alright? Cities in tomorrow's slight include Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. And cities in tomorrow's marginal include San Antonio, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Austin, Texas, and Memphis, Tennessee. Okay? So yeah. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow. The 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow is in the yellow, alright? The 10% tornado risk is in the yellow. The 10% tornado risk area tomorrow encompasses extreme southeastern Iowa, extreme northeastern Missouri, parts of Illinois, and northwest Indiana. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Peoria, Illinois, Bloomington, Indiana, Normal, Illinois, Pekin, Illinois, and Galesburg, Illinois. Alright, so there are two brown areas for tomorrow. Okay? The brown areas are where we have a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow. Areas in the brown are in a 5% tornado risk for tomorrow. And areas in the dark green are in a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. The lower the number, the lower the tornado threat, but I'm not trying to downplay it in the lower end because there can still be a tornado in the there can still be tornadoes in the 2% area. It's just the higher chances for tornadoes will be in the higher numbers region, okay? Cities in the 5% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. And the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Wichita, Kansas. And if you notice, there are two areas where we have black dashed areas for tomorrow. Areas in the black dashed areas tomorrow are where we have the highest potential for strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger. This is a level 1 of 3 on the intense tornado scale. Okay, so I'm not saying you can't get an EF2 or higher outside the black dashed, but the highest chances for EF2 or higher are in the black dashed areas. And areas outside of it could see around EF0, EF1 mainly. But again, the black dashed areas could have the highest potential for EF2 or stronger. EF2 or stronger, I should say. Cities in the CIG1 risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, and Arlington, Texas. Going to the wind for tomorrow, there is a area in the red here in central Texas are in a 30% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, again, encompassing central Texas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include Abilene, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, Claiborne, Texas, and Eagle Pass, Texas. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow in the yellow. And the green, the yellow is the 15%, and areas in the brown are on a 5% damaging wind risk tomorrow. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And the 5% includes San Antonio, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Austin, Texas, and Memphis, Tennessee. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 out of 3 in the intense wind risk areas tomorrow. Areas in the black dashed area have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms tomorrow. Okay? Areas in the black dashed area have the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts. Okay? I'm not saying it can occur outside the black dashed area in the wind risk either, but the highest potential for hurricane force gusts are in the black dashed area for tomorrow. Hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts. Areas in the yellow, the 15% could have, damaging gusts of, 65, 70 miles per hour, and the brown could have about 58 to 65 miles per hour. So we'll see what happens. Cities in the black dash tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And now tomorrow's hail threat. There are 2 red areas for tomorrow. There are 2 red areas tomorrow, which are a 30% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow in the red. Okay? Areas in the red are on a 30% hail risk tomorrow. The yellow is the 15% chance for 1 inch in diameter hail or larger tomorrow in the yellow. And the brown is a 5% hail risk area tomorrow. Alright, so, yeah. So, cities in the 30% hail risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Aurora, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and Springfield, Illinois. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. And the 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes San Antonio, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Austin, Texas, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now, if you look at the black dashed areas, there are 2 black dashed areas tomorrow. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. This is level 1 out of 2 for the very large hail risk tomorrow. Again, black dash is the highest potential for 2 inch in diameter hail or larger tomorrow. Alright? So yeah. But I'm not saying it can't happen outside those black dashed areas. It's just the highest potential for 2 inch in diameter hail or larger tomorrow is in the black dashed areas. And so the black dashed areas, again, 2 inches in diameter or larger likely. Areas in the yellow that are not in the black dashed area could see hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter, and the brown, not in the black dashed. Areas in the brown that are not in the black dashed could see inch in diameter hail tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, and Kansas City, Missouri. In summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are forecast on Tuesday from the southern plains into the southern Great Lakes vicinity. All severe hazards are possible. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. So, it looks like it's going to be a pretty busy day tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright, again, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you are in. Okay? No matter what risk you're in, stay safe tomorrow. So, take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.